Have you ever wondered where to find all the posts you've been tagged on Facebook? Let me show you how. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Tap the three-lined icon in the top left corner to open this dashboard. Scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. Then select Settings. Now, scroll down until you reach Your Activity section. Here, tap on Activity Log. Next, tap on your Facebook activity to expand it, and find activity you're tagged in, which is the third one, and open it. Select photos and videos you're tagged in. It might take a second to load. And there you go. You can now see every photo and post you've been tagged in, organized by date. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon. Peace.